Hi guys, today we'll show you how to replace the front turn signal light bulbs in Hyundai Sonata. You can see it right here. To remove it, you have to locate this lever, and this one needs to be turned counterclockwise. It may be tight in some vehicles, so you might have to apply a little bit more force, but in general you have to turn it counterclockwise. And as you can see, this is our bulb. To remove this bulb, all you have to do is to press and turn counterclockwise. This will allow you to remove the bulb. Insert the new bulb. Idea is the same. Insert, push and turn, and now the bulb is secure in place. And the same way we install the whole thing, you have to again find proper position for the bulb and then simply turn clockwise. Replacement on the other side gets done the same way. You simply remove the bulb, turn, remove, and install the new one. Quite simple once you know how to do it. The new bulbs are working fine. Our replacement is complete. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.